Okay, ngayong taon, for Oscars 2026, ang official submission ng Pilipinas sa Best International Feature Film category ay ang pelikulang Magellan, directed by Love Diaz.
Congrats, Direk Paul, Direk Love. Ano na pong nararamdaman kayong official entry?
It's an absolute honor. Anytime you're representing the Philippines, it's an honor. So we're grateful, we're humbled that our film has been selected to represent the Philippines at the Oscars next year. Extremely happy for Direk Lam. Like he said, he risked his life to make this film. And the blessing is that we're here today, and we're very excited and we're thankful for the trust that we have been given.
Direk Love, being an Academy member yourself, ano pong magiging game plan natin para makakuha tayo ng pwesto doon?
Ang hirap kasi. Ang Oscars kasi, butas ng karayom yan eh. So it's more an election process. So, ang methodology is we have to campaign. Buti na lang, we have good distributors in North America and European distributors ito sa Pilipinas eh. So, we've been in good hands. Sa aspetong promotion na lang, malaking bagay na yan.
Pero direct malaking advantage na kilala ka na. Ng ilang mga...
Sa festival circuit, yeah.
Right. You mentioned kanina na parang literal na buwis buhay.
Yeah, nagkasakit ako ng shoot eh. So, 7 years and 6 years of shoot, 6 months of shoot. So,
Okay.
yung lamig, it's more. Pabayaan ko ng sarili ko during the shoot.
Pero kamusta ka na rin?
Okay na. Aling na bang nagagamot sa tuberculosis?
Tuberculosis.
Saan shoot yun? Sa Pilipinas, sa Spain o Portugal?
Kasama na yun.
Combination na lang.
Isang buwan sa Europe, and then ang preparation namin sa Pilipinas, 6 months. Nagtayo kami ng Cebu Village, Malacca Village, so yeah. Mahaba yung shoot.
Direct Love, ano yung mga reviews na this is your most parang mainstream na film?
Well, sorry.
Pinaka-marketable daw and
Dahil siguro may Hollywood actor, Gael Garcia Bernal. Malaking plus si Gael, of course. Dahil kilala siyang actor all over the world. Jose Rizal. And yung sensibilidad niya para Pilipino eh. Mexican. Malaking plus sa atin.
Pero kumusta yung pagtatrabaho ninyo ni Gael? Nag-swak agad din ba kayo?
Magandang katrabaho si Gael. Napaka-intelligente niyang actor. Pinag-aaralan niya yung character niya. In fact, almost 2 years niya pinaghandaan.
tanungin namin ulit, direct. Baka magbago kasi yung sabi. So, pupunta ba si Gael sa...
Ewan kong ilan po, kung maganda lang yun si Gael. We'll try.
Direct Paul, sa premiere.
Sa premiere next week.
He's been to the Philippines twice already for the shooting. So he's for the first part he was here for 3 weeks, and then he came back for another 2-3 weeks. So he really embraced the country. He loved everything about the Philippines. Like Lab said, it's very similar to the Mexican culture. Diba? So he's very supportive. He'll definitely be back to support the film. Now, whether it's going to be for our September 10 nationwide screening, will have to surprise you. But he's very supportive, and he knows about the news, and he's excited to also campaign with us. He's going to be very crucial also to the campaign of the film. Especially, we'll be in Toronto, and then I think the New York Film Festival in the next month. So.
Sana mapanood na maraming Pilipino. Kasi kung sinabi ko, magandang laging bumalik tayo sa kasaysayan kasi kung tayo nang galing, kung tayo makakausap kung hindi natin alam ng mga nakaraan natin. Mahalaga yun. Ang Magellan, mayroon na kailangan mapanood ng bayan.